Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a modified dead bug with a dumbbell. So to do these, we are going to hold one dumbbell directly over our chest with our arms locked out and our legs going to be straight in the air. We're going to lower one leg down, hover just above the ground, and then do the opposite leg, hover just above the ground. So when we do these, we want to make sure that our feet are flexed. We are engaged through our upper body, so we're really pressing the dumbbell away, not just letting it sag down over us. And then we are going to bring one leg down. Again, it can come to a slight hover, it can come slightly above. We just want to make sure that your lower back is staying flat on the floor. So you may have to have a slight pelvic tilt to make sure that that happens, or you might have to not lower down quite so far, but we just want to make sure that your back is flat against the ground. So for more core building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.